Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Iko Kalafir and my study ID number 202432048. In this video, I will explain my learning practicum using Jupyter Notebook. The main goals of this practicum is to analyze student data and build a model to predict the final score using linear regression. First, I start by informing the required library such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Skitlearn. I put all the import libraries and the beginning to make the code more organized, the easier to read. These libraries are used for data processing, visualization, and building the machine learning model. After that, I load the dataset using Pandas. The dataset I use is student performance dataset, specifically the studentmath.csv file, because the dataset use a semicolon as the separator. I use equal semicolon when reading the file. Then I display the first row using head to understand the structure of data. Next, I check the dataset structure using info and describe. For this type, I can see the data types, number of integers, and statistical summary. I also check for missing value, and the results show the no missing value in this dataset. This means the dataset is clean to ready to use. I perform pre-processing by converting categorical data into numerical values using label encoder. This step is important because machine learning model cannot process text data directly after encoding all data in numerical format. After processing, I move to explore data analyze or ADA. In this step, I analyze the distributor of target variable, which is H3. The final score of student is use histogram the box plot to visualize the data. From the visualization, I can see the data is a good variation and some outliers, but they are still acceptable. Next, I prepare the data modeling base filter and the target. The target variable is G3 and the rest the column are used as input filter. Then I can split the dataset into training data and testing data with an 80 to 20 ratio. After that, I build the machine learning model using linear regression. I train the model using the training data so I can learn the pattern between the filter and the target. Once the model is training, I use make prediction and testing data. The result, the scatter plot, compare the actual value, the predict value from the graph. I can see the most of point are close the diagonal lines, which mean the model perform quite well. Next, I evaluate model is using mean, the square error, and R square. The MSE show the prediction error, while R squared show how well the model explain the data. The result indicate the model has a good performance, although it is not perfect. Finally, I can conclude the data machine learning process involves several important steps, starting from data preparation, analysis, modeling, and evaluation. The linear regression model they use in this practicum is able to predict student performance quite well, but there is still room for improvement. That's all from my explanation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.